Did you know you can create QR code inside Microsoft Word for free? Let me show you how to do that. Okay, here the output from the Microsoft Word. So let me show you the trick. So first of all, let's press Control F9. Okay, press Control F9 and then you can see the clip bridge like that. Okay, let me zoom it a little bit. And then type display barcode. Okay, no space, barcode. And then put something, your text here. For example, I put my website code.rien.me, for example, and then space, just type QR slash Q3. Okay, we are not done yet, just wait. Okay, here your text, your website, your link, whatever you can put right here. Okay, so after that, just press F9. Okay, boom, now the QR. See here the QR that just generated, here the old one. Okay, you can scan it. Actually, it will. Let me know in the comment if you can generate it or not. See you next time.